Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset or erase all your data in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings option and here you have to type reset like this. Backup and reset phone, and friends you can see there is a erase all data, reset to factory reset. When you just click on it, it appears it shows that you have to put the password, and when you just put the password in this, it will erase all your data in your mobile phone and it will be reboot for 1 to 2 minutes. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.